Now we're going to do a walkthrough for Lab 9 to help you out. In Lab 9, you are going to do something similar to what we did in Lab 7. You'll need to print, fill out, scan, and upload this lab. We're going to do the same 3 types of activities that we did in Lab 7 to try to help give some more visual clarification to the processes that we've been doing. The first thing we're going to do is look at the sampling process, the sample proportion. We're then going to look at confidence intervals for population proportion. And then we're going to do some hypothesis testing for a single proportion. In StatCrunch, we will use applets of, we will go down to sampling distributions. We will pick the binary distribution. The binary distribution is the distribution associated with one population proportion. And we can put in whatever proportion it is we want to try to model. I'm going to use one of 0.4, hit compute. I'm going to change sample sizes to 100 and click 1,000. And you'll see a shape. You'll see what the mean of the sampling process is and the standard deviation. You can hit it more times to add more simulations if you would like. Okay. And then you can look at what the proportion is for that process and the standard deviation. It should be able to give you some information on what's happening. We'll also look at confidence intervals for a proportion. I'm going to put in 0.4. I'll have a 95% confidence interval. I'll use 100 sample size. And just as before, it'll give me 100 confidence intervals. And there's a proportion contained. I'll hit another 1,000, and I'll hit another 1,000, and we'll see what's happening. And for testing of hypothesis, we'll go to Stat, Proportion Stats, one sample with summary. We'll put in a number of successes out of a number of observations. We'll say what we think the proportion is, and we'll test to come up with that, and we'll get a test statistic and a p-value. So that is the StatCrunch information you would have to go through. The other calculations are by hand. It will be similar to the examples that we did in class.